All right, so how long does tattoo numbing actually last? Here's the real answer, 100%. If the client takes a hot shower before the tattoo and they apply the tattoo numbing cream correctly, they wrap it in saran wrap, you should get about an hour and a half, 2 hours max from the cream. Now, when it comes to the tattoo numbing spray, a lot of tattoo artists use this incorrectly. You have to open the skin completely up. That means if you have an area this big, you're gonna take a mag and you can shade it with really light water. And then now that whole area is open, you can spray it with Pro Numb and then tattoo it. Or you do the outline with a 3-round liner, and then you gotta go back and you would do some different ones with, say, a 9-round liner. You're building line work, right? So if you're doing your second pass and you're building line work, the tattoo is gonna definitely be numb for that because the skin's open. But if you're tattooing new skin, it's definitely not gonna be numb. You gotta understand that. So, but with the spray numb time, you should be getting about 45 minutes to an hour on bony areas, especially like the head. But if it's like a nice fat thigh, something like that, you're gonna honestly get upwards of about 2 hours per spray. So pretty good stuff. Not a miracle spray, but again, 45 minutes to an hour or 45 minutes to 2 hours max on the spray, 45 minutes to about an hour and a half on the cream, 100%. Jim, do you agree?
Oh, totally.
That's about it. Coming live to you from Reapside Tattoo, Melbourne, Florida.